tó gbogbo ọmọ nàìjíríà gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi ẹ tún gbọ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ làbárí ọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀ rèé lẹ́nu kínní lẹ́nu ẹni tá a jẹ́ kó yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀ kó sọ arábìnrin kan rèé láti agbègbè Ogoja ní ìpínlẹ̀ Cross River lórílẹ̀‐èdè nàìjíríà léyìí tó ṣe nǹkan tọmọgbẹnu tá àti nǹkan ìmọ̀ tá a lè pè nítọ̀ àrírú eléyìí gangan rí wọ́n ní obìnrin yìí kí ni tó ṣe àti pé ìmọ̀ wo gan-an ló wà nínú ìròyìn ọ̀hún ẹ̀ ń ròyìn ẹ̀ ń kánjú aláàfin òrebì kankan ṣe é ti gbọ́rú ẹ̀ rí irú kíni ẹ wo fọ́nrán fídíò yìí kẹ́ ẹ mọ ìmọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan ẹ̀yin ará Ògojà ẹ kú déédéé àkókò yìí ó di ọbẹ̀ ẹ wo fídíò yìí.
Okay, so guys, in this community, women get married to so many men. It's not just one family. I've discovered 5 more families. Like in this family now, she is married to 2 men. So I'm also here to interview her to find out how they are faring, how she's enjoying her marriage with 2 men. Madam, how are you enjoying your marriage?
Well, in our community here, women marry more than 7 husbands.
Okay.
So it's something that we love doing it.
Okay.
We love. Some people even say that we inherited this from our great grand this thing. Yeah.
Okay.
But for me, it's something that I love. I'm even going to marry more.
Okay.
Seriously, I have more than I'm going to marry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as in how I don't understand because is how are you maintaining peace here and everything? How are you doing it and everybody's happy?
Okay. First of all, before my grand people died, my mom, they left for me farms.
Okay.
Yes, over 70 farms. If I have like poultries, all these stuff. So you can in this village, feed do for me, guy. If I propose to you, you will be really happy to marry me. You get. So I'm coping, as I told you before, I have more than I'm going to marry. Like extra 3, so I'll make it 5.
Okay, so the thing is, the question I asked is, how are you maintaining peace in this house? Because it's not even easy to marry one, and your husband is pounding. Are they the ones cooking for you?
See, as you said, peace now. That is how we meant. Okay, let me talk about the sex part. We give a schedule how we do it. Let me say today now, Ike now will have it today. Then the next week it will be for me and Kelechuku.
Okay.
Like we have everything. They don't even work. When it comes to work, they don't have handwork. It's just like normal house choice. They don't do anything. I'm just the one providing every damn thing for them.
I would love to interview your husbands because what I'm saying.
Look at the other one. He's just wearing the clothes. They don't do anything. Just the housework that I just allow them to do. I provide anything for them. Anything.
Okay. So the cooking, who does the cooking?
Sometimes I do the cooking when I'm not. Maybe if I go to farm, they will just do it before I come back. Food is ready. Then when I'm less busy, I do every other thing for them.
So you will sit down here now and relax, and they will serve you food.
I went to farm yesterday, so today I need a little rest. Yeah.
Okay. So this one is your first husband or second?
No, that is my second husband, Kelechuku.
Okay. So he's washing his clothes or your own?
No, he's washing the whole clothes, both my first husband's clothes. Yeah.
I don't know how you're maintaining this peace. So he's washing both for the first husband.
We're just united. Like, okay, first of all, when I first told the first one about it, he was like, say, why? Is he not doing good? Like, what is he? He was like begging me, wanted to cry. Well, no. So it's just like something that I just felt like I need it. Like, I love it. I want to do something like it. He was like, no problem. If it's something I want to do that will makes me more happy and make everybody happy, that is fine. And I brought this.
Okay. I know you're also dressing like a man because you are now feeling like the man of the house because you're wearing cap, you're the way you're dressing, you don't wear earrings.
Okay, in this, I'm also like the man and the woman in this family because I provide everything. Okay. Yeah. They don't. It's not a problem to them. Seriously, okay. It's not a problem to them. Okay. Yeah.
Do you mind if I interview them?
No, sure, you can.
Okay. Sorry, I don't know. Sir, please, can I don't know. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah,
Well done, sir.
I greet you.
I can see you are busy in the kitchen.
Yeah, that is what I always do, and I need to quickly make up something for my wife.
Okay.
She's already stressed, and she needs to eat. Yeah.
Okay, so do you do this all the time, like cook for her all the time?
Yeah, sure. I do it every time because that is I have no choice. I have to do it. She's
Like,
my,
is she forcing you to do it or you love doing it for her?
this is what I do willingly from my heart.
Okay, from your heart.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you got married to her, how, as until now, how are your parents taking it? Are they okay with this decision of a woman coming to your house to marry you?
You know, based on our culture, they don't have any choice now because I'm an adult and whatever I propose, that's what they should take. So my choice matters in this situation. So I chose her over anything. So she's if she has maybe plans of getting married to someone else, it's fine. I'll accept that.
So how are you people maintaining peace? That's the part that is baffling me. I want to know how you guys are maintaining peace because it's even hard for people, husband and wife to maintain peace. But this is a woman with two husbands, and she's even planning to marry another one, and you don't even have a problem with it. What is giving you people joy? What's giving you people this? Like, what's this thing? This secret that you people have that is making it work out?
Just like I said before, is a choice, and this is a woman I love her so much from my heart, and um, my co husband now, we have this mutual understanding. You understand? Um, Having marriage, maybe one man, one woman. So we felt like okay, since she can bring someone in, and she's okay with that, so I should be whatever makes her happy makes me happy.
Okay, so I've also discovered in this village that is trending because yesterday we tackled one case, today another one. I've seen 3 more people doing this thing. Is it like a culture for you guys in this village or is it a personal thing? Because why is everybody doing it and the whole world are surprised? What's happening? Is it your culture?
Basically, it's some individual because the people in the village too, they still talk. They talk about us like how can we cope with one woman with two. Sometimes when I go out to, get something to eat, maybe if she sends me on an errand, and when I get something or buy something for her, they'll be talking bad at me like I'm a woman rapper, but I don't care.
Okay, but do you people wear uniform, to go around churches, and do you wear uniform?
We wear Ankara.
Okay.
We wear sort of Ankara so that everybody will know that this is my wife and this is my co-husband.
Okay, so I applaud you guys. This is truly amazing. I applaud you guys. So I want to interview your you can go. So you're cooking. What are you cooking now?
I want to make porridge plantain for her because she likes porridge plantain, and then I'll add it a little spice and scent leaf. She would like it, and I will still bring for you too, so you taste
No
my food.
problem. Sorry, I'm hearing a chat. How many children do you guys have?
One from me, then one from my co-husband.
Okay, you have 2 children. Wow, this is amazing. So I'd like to talk to your co-husband. Nice talking with you. Maybe we'll chat again. Let me talk to. Hi, hello. Do I come there or? Okay. Okay, I'll wait for you to conclude what you're doing. Sorry. Whose clothes are you like spreading here?
They just all of us.
All of you? That's you, your co-husband, and your wife.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the thing is, she's the one paying for everything. Like, she's the one providing for you. Are you okay with it? Like, she's the one bringing everything to the table, and you are not bringing anything. Is that your culture, or is that something you're okay with?
I'm okay. Yes, I'm okay because she always provide for me. Even busters, my now wear clothes, even she will stick everything. So I'm okay. I'm okay with it.
Okay, so you have one kid with her.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys don't want to have more kids.
No. I'm okay with this one.
Okay.
I'm okay with this one.
Okay, nice chatting with you. Let me talk more with your woman. Okay.